How to change notification settings in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change notification settings in Wrike, and here is how to go about it. The first way is to open your web browser and then sign in into your Wrike's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see some options in the left navigation bar, which includes search, inbox, more, and then your spaces, and then you see other options as well. Once you can see this, the next step is to navigate to the settings option or the settings tab, which is located by the top part of the navigation bar. You can see your profile icon, right? Once you see it, click on it. In the box displayed, the first option you will see is settings. So just click on it straight away. So after clicking on settings, you will be brought to the settings page where you'd see options like your first name, you'd see your workspace settings, sign in and security, etc. Once you can see this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see personal settings, account management. Under personal settings, you'll see other options to navigate through to email preferences and then click on it. Once you clicked on it, you'll be brought to your email preferences page. You can see it's email preferences. Then below it, you'll see the option notification settings. All right. Now, under notification settings, you'll see a list of options, and then you can now edit it the way you want. Currently, my email has not been activated. That is why it is displaying this. As you can see, Adeboye 2034 is not confirmed. Use it for email notification, etc, etc. That's why it is showcasing this. But for you, you would see the list of notification settings you have majorly from your email. So you can decide to turn on or turn off the one that you no longer want to display, or the one you want to be displayed. And after selecting it, just click on save changes. This save changes option would be activated by then. Click on it, and then just like that, your notification settings would be changed in your Wrike's account. So it is that simple, okay? Just follow these procedures, navigate to your settings, move to personal settings, select email preferences, come down, locate your notification settings, and then you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.